To start, take a plain biscuit and begin by drawing the shape of Rocky's head with a blue food colouring pen at the bottom half of your biscuit. Then take an icing pen of the same colour and draw along the outline you have made. Carefully fill in the rest of the shape with blue icing. Edible eyes. Then, using your pen from earlier, draw the outline of Rocky's ears. Fill these in with blue icing. And don't forget to add 2 hairlines to the top of his head. Using the food colouring pen, draw a big smile line across Rocky's face and add 2 dots for his nose. Rocky is always sticking out his green tongue. Use a green icing pen to add this to your biscuit. Now for the final touch, Rocky's teeth. And there you have it, your very own Rocky biscuit. I'm feeling hungry.
We want chicken.